Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how to create your YouTube channel that's going to allow YouTube to recommend your channel, recommend your videos. If you have already created your channel, make sure that you follow this guide so as to make sure that you have checked out all the boxes. And this also works for those that have already created their YouTube channel. And if you're yet to create your YouTube channel, make sure that first off you have your Gmail account ready before you create your channel. Okay, if you're having issues creating a Gmail account, or probably you do not know how to create a Gmail account, make sure that you drop that issue or your complaint in the comment section, and I'm going to create a video on how to create your Gmail account. All right, without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, now I am in my YouTube channel. I have created this YouTube channel already. Like I said, make sure that you already have your Gmail account, and if you already have your Gmail account, the next thing you're going to do is, let me show you how it's done. Let's say, let me sign out. I'm going to sign in again so that you guys are going to see how I do it. Okay, all right, so now I'm going to sign in again to my YouTube account. All right, so now this is the YouTube page, or this is the YouTube interface that you're going to see if you want to create a YouTube account. So the next thing you're just going to do is click on sign in. Because I already have a Gmail account, I'm just going to use my Gmail account here. Okay, and I'm going to input my password. I mean, since you already have a Gmail account, and if you don't have a Gmail account, then let me know in the comment section so that I'm going to create a video on how to generate or how to get an email account, or a Gmail account rather. Okay, now so I have been able to log in into my YouTube channel, and the next thing you're going to do is click on this icon right here, and click on view your channel. Okay, this is my channel, and this was the first video I uploaded. So the next thing you're just going to do is click on customize channel, and it's going to take you automatically to the YouTube studio where you're going to be working on your channel. Okay, so now this is the customization page. This customization page has to do with a couple of things, and I'm going to be showing you guys how it works. So now this is the name of my channel. All right, why I have this name is because what I deal with on my channel, I actually deal with creative ideas, anything that has to do with tech, and anything that has to do with creativity. Okay, so that's what I do in my channel, and teach you how to do a lot of things like tech hacks, how to make money, how to boost your YouTube channel, and the rest. Okay, so now I had to devise a name that correlates with my niche, let me put it that way. Okay, so I had to create a name that would match what I'm going to be doing in my channel. So now I was able to get Femi Creative Lab because I deal with everything creativity. All right, so now this is your handle. For this part, you're going to put a banner image. The banner image is going to be an image that's going to be displayed behind your profile picture or your channel picture. Okay, so that banner, you have to create it. If I click on change, then it's going to tell me to upload another one. If I click on remove, it's going to remove the banner image for my page. Okay, so the banner image has to do with a couple of what do we call it now, a couple of things. I'm going to be illustrating that in my next video. Okay, and then you put your profile picture, make sure that it is relatable with your channel. Okay, then you come all the way down to handle. This is your handle. It still has to do with your channel name. Okay, then now this is where the big work is. Okay, so now you can see that I'm in the description page, or I'm in the description section, and this description has to do with understanding or trying to make people understand what you do in your channel. All right, various channels have their own kind of description, and various niches have their own kind of description. Okay, so for my own channel, this is the description for my channel. I'm just going to read a little bit. It says, make sure you pay attention to how my description is being set. All right, it says, welcome to Femi Creative Lab. At Femi Creative Lab, we are passionate about empowering creators, makers, and innovators with the skill and knowledge to bring their ideas to life. That one is a hook already. So make sure that your description has the first sentence should be a hook, so that people or subscribers can understand already, even from the first line of your description. So now the next thing, it says, if you're interested in learning how to improve your YouTube channel visibility and earnings, this channel is for you. I'm actually still reading this out for you guys so that you guys can understand what my channel is all about. All right, this channel is for you. We are here to provide educative content with the intentions of supporting and empowering media creators as they venture into media creativity. All right, so make sure that your description is well detailed on what you're going to be doing in the channel. If you're having issues with generating or getting a well optimized description for your channel, make sure you drop that in the comment section, and I would create another video on how to create a very well optimized description for your channel that YouTube is going to use to recommend, because YouTube actually picks these descriptions too on how to recommend your videos to certain viewers or viewers out there. You understand? So after your description, you're going to paste your URL link. Your URL link is right here. This is your channel URL link. It's a unique link for your channel that you can send to anybody. If you want the person to subscribe to your channel, you can send that link to the person to click on and subscribe to your channel. All right, so after that, you can add external links which has to do with it might be your Instagram handle, it might be your Facebook page handle and the rest, or your Facebook profile link. That's what I mean, actually, your Facebook profile link. Then down here is going to be your email address and the rest. Okay, so now this video watermark has to do with, most of the time when you notice or you watch a video on YouTube, you would see a very small, I don't know if you can see this right here. You see a very small image at the bottom right of the video. If you click, you don't even have to click on it. If you put your cursor on it, if you're using a PC, if you put your cursor on it, it's going to show you a subscribe button. Okay, I've actually explained these things in a video that I've created. So guys, just watch out for that video that I'm going to be creating, or the one that I'm going to be posting very soon. All right, so now the next thing I'm going to be talking about is a couple of other settings. Let's go to our home tab. Our home tab, this is the first video I posted. I just posted a video yesterday. Make sure you check out the video I posted yesterday. Okay, you have a lot to learn from that video. All right, guys. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about is the home tab. All right. If you've created your channel already, there's this might be turned on or it might be turned off. All right. So I'm going to make sure that you guys understand what it means when when you turn this on or off. All right. So basically, when you turn this on, this home tab is going to show you a couple of sections here. When it comes to layout, when it comes to home tab, this is actually your home tab, okay? Then you come all the way to layout and you click on for you more settings. So when you click on for you more settings, you're going to go all the way down to recency. I've actually made a video about this in depth, okay? So you guys should check out the video in my channel. Go watch it and make sure that you learn from it, all right? If you are finding this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to comment which part or whichever part has helped you in creating or helped you or has given you the idea of how to create your YouTube channel. And if you're having any issues, make sure that you drop it in the comment section so that I can attend to your issue. I can create a video concerning it. Then you guys can know your way forward, all right? Okay, so now this recency has to do with your home page, or it has to do with people's home page. When you automatically, YouTube is going to put this on all content. What it means by that is YouTube will update the content in your home feed for you every time, or for other people every time. So if you put it to recent only, YouTube is going to refresh your content or the content in your page or your channel to other people out there. It's going to instead refresh your own videos and post it out there, recommend your videos. This automatically helps you to boost your SEO and recommendation for your channel and for your videos. Mine is turned on already. This is my first video that I posted, and if you have shorts already, it's going to be showing here. Past live streams, the live streams you've done earlier or in the past is going to be showing here. Then created playlist has to do with probably you're into various things in your channel. Let's say for this channel now, I deal with how to make money online, sites that pay you. I deal with how to optimize your channel, how to do a lot of settings when it comes to your channel visibility and the rest. In this playlist, I'm going to create a couple of playlists that identifies what they do in that particular playlist. All right, that particular playlist is just going to help you organize your videos, all right, in sections so that people don't get all twisted when they open your channel on when they check your channel. All right, so that's it for that. Then let me just give you guys one tip before I go. Go to your settings, click on upload defaults, and go all the way to advanced settings. This is just a tip, okay? So now when you go to advanced settings, you'd see category. I had to put this as none for the course of this video, all right? So when you go to upload defaults, go to advanced settings, you're going to see category. All right, click on category, and this is going to give you an overview of a ton of things that people do on YouTube. All right, this setting is going to increase your YouTube visibility, your YouTube channel, and your video visibility, and it's going to help you optimize your channel or video. All right, so now this category has to do with various things that people do when it comes to cars and vehicles, when it comes to comedy, when it comes to education, when it comes to entertainment. This has to do with the kind of thing you're into, all right? So now, for me, I am into education, okay, because I'm teaching you guys how to do a couple of things, and I'm actually trying to educate you guys. So what I deal with is education. If you're into cars, probably you post videos of cars, then make sure that you put it to cars and vehicles. You know why? when you put it to cars and vehicles, the people searching for anything that has to do with cars, anything that has to do with vehicles, your video will pop up. This will automatically render or recommend your video to those searching for those kind of things. All right. So this automatically helps you optimize your channel automatically. You don't, this one alone, this one setting alone will do a lot of good for your channel. Okay. So after you've checked your settings and the rest, you've checked your category and the rest, make sure that you save it, because a lot of people do make mistakes like this. They don't save and they just quit the page and the rest. All your worry or all your stress has gone in vain. All right. And if you have chapters for your videos, probably you have sections for each of your videos, then you can turn on this automatic chapters. YouTube algorithm is going to help you to divide or cut your videos into chapters, and to make it easier for the viewers to understand where you're going to be talking about a particular point and the rest. Okay, like I said, I'm going to be creating another video on how to optimize your channel, how to boost your channel visibility and the rest. Okay, please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if this video has helped you a lot, and if this video has helped you to open or create your channel to a particular level for the next stage. Okay, make sure that you watch out for my next video. Come back and you'll be amazed in what you're going to find. All right, make sure you watch my new video. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.